Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to download and install a Canon LBP 3000 or 3000 printer driver here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So before you proceed, please navigate at the description box below. You would be able to see a link that is being attached. Please copy it. And the moment you have copied it, please paste it here at the Windows search bar here at the Google Chrome browser. So press Ctrl V in the keyboard, and in that way you would be able to you would be able to paste it here and click on enter so that you would be able to be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see the LBP 3000. Now you would be able to see an option called download. Click on it so that you can now start on the downloading of the printer driver. So eventually it will now start on the downloading. All you need to do is you need to click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen to check the download progress. So we just have to wait until this will be finished. Now, once it is being downloaded, click this folder icon so that you would be navigated to the location where it is being placed or saved to. The next step that we need to do is we need to move that from this location to the desktop. So click this cut icon and close the window as well as this. And please do a right click here at the desktop and go with the spaced icon. Once you do that, you will be able to move it here at the desktop. The next thing that you need to do is you need to select it. Please do a right click and then you need to scroll down. Okay, and look for this option and go with extract to LBP 3000. So the moment you click on it, it will now start on the extracting of this printer driver, and if the extracted file is not showing here, don't worry. You just have to proceed to the button search bar, type for File Explorer, and the moment you do it, please click on Open and check it here at the File Explorer window. So proceed to the desktop, and you can see there the file that is being extracted. Once you're good, you can now close the window, okay, and proceed to the button search bar. And from here, please type for the settings. Now, once you've typed it, the best match should appear. Please click on the open to continue. The Bluetooth device is connected successfully. So from here, please navigate at the left side of that where you can see a list of options. Please look for Bluetooth and devices, and please scroll down and locate for devices. So from here, please scroll down and locate for this option called More Devices and Printer Settings. And here it will show up the devices and printers. Please navigate to the left side of that. At the upper left side of that, you can see there add a printer. Please click on it and this window would show up. So from here, please locate for the printer that I want isn't listed. and go with this add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. So it will ask you to use an existing port. Please scroll down and select among of these three, which are the USB port, either USB 001, 002, or 003. So you can also choose the USB 001. So just choose any of this. Once you're good, please click on next and go with have disk. Okay. And click on browse. And from here, you just have to navigate to the desktop. Okay. And please navigate here. Double tap to it. Go with your X64. Double tap once again. Select your driver. Double tap and select your driver. So from here, please click on open. Okay. Click on OK. And from here, please click on the next. Go with next once again, and it will now start on the installing of this printer. So from here, if your user account control would ask you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can continue on the installation of this printer. So here, please click on next. Okay, and if you would like to set as your default printer, just leave that checked, and if it's not, leave that unchecked. Go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon LBP 3000 in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.